Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Swaggy. Welcome back to my channel. And today I woke up in the morning and first time I'm feeling that Jamaica is cold. I am cold. So rain was all night. I don't know what's good. I googled like it's 23 degrees, but it feels like 20 or something. It's chilly. I have even goosebumps. Ooh, it's really cold. It's really it's not cold, but it's super chilly. Like, I mean, for Jamaicans it's cold, but for Russian people it's chilly. Yeah, so all the week is going to be raining and chilly, so hope so get a little break from heat, from good weather. Yeah, so look, I kind of decorated my house. Look at the pretty shell. I brought it from Crimea, from Russia. Oh, who's that? Is that a spider? Oh wow. Yeah, so guys, look at the mountains. Mountains are cloudy. Cloudy. Yeah. You guys, honestly, I love chilly mornings because you can make a hot coffee and go and stand on the veranda and enjoy it. So this is my Vietnamese coffee machine. I do not use electric coffee machine, even though we have one, but I prefer this way. It's like a French presser. Yeah, well, they call it a French presser, but I took it from Vietnam. It's not French. So first of all, I will put some condensed milk here. I think I showed one time, long time ago, something like that. Yeah, so I don't know. You can get this thing on Amazon, guys, and try, because so far it's the best way. It's the best way to make fresh coffee, but you just need to stick to the proportions, because if you put a little bit of coffee, it will not come out good. So I have to put some good amount of coffee, and this for two of us, so that's why a lot of condensed milk going in. Errol loves sweet coffee, but I'll still put not enough. So like, if some of us will want more sweeter, so just add more. But that's a lot still though. Here, so just cover it. Yeah, I'll just cover it like this, and here I'll be putting my coffee. Vietnamese machine, but Jamaican coffee. Yay! Yeah, I like Vietnamese coffee still though, but I can't compare it to the island coffee. Okay, yeah, Vietnamese coffee good too, but I just love Jamaican coffee. Oh my god, it smells strong. Look. Alright, yes ma'am. Some coffee. Leo said he wants hot dog in the morning for breakfast, so yeah, but what we do, we just put the sausage inside bread, because when we buy hot dog bread, it always spoils on us because it's so fast. It spoils so fast, so we cannot eat so fast. Especially, I don't really eat hot dogs. Earl, no, he's like healthy man, he has to watch his diet. So Leo eats sometimes in the morning hot dogs. So what I do, I just put sausage in the normal slice of bread, because Jamaican bread is puffy, so it will go through, you know. It will be good. Your child will be sure satisfied. So that's what I do for Leo. That's his breakfast for today. And now my kettle is boiling. Yeah, because when you make a coffee, you gotta make sure it's like boiling hot. It's burning hot, so that way it will be a coffee or not something else, you know. Yeah, so just waiting on my coffee. I love coffee, but not like my mom. My mom, she can drink coffee like 3 times a day, but me, no, only in the morning. And when I drink coffee, sometimes my head hurts, so I only drink coffee when it's chilly day. Rare drink coffee on the hot day, because when it's hot, my head just start hurt me after coffee. I don't know why. And plus, when you drink coffee, you have to drink a lot of water with it, because coffee can do that to you. Yeah, so you don't look at my teeth. That's how we cut it. That's what we cut it. There's no prettiness in it, okay? It's just a teen. It's just a teen. That's how we cut it. I think I'll cut it with a knife. I want to cut it with care too. Cut that prettiness y'all deal with. It's just a teen, so don't judge me teen. It's just a teen. Yeah, so that's how we do it. The coffee, look on the coffee. Oh my god. So now I'll just close it, and yeah man, I'll get some nice fresh Jamaican coffee to my breakfast. Yay, easy. Yep. Here the drops just a drop from this part of the cup to this part of the cup, and it just melts with the condensed milk. It tastes bad. I mean good. When in Jamaica people say bad, it means it good to extreme level. I mean bad, they just say bad. Yeah, for people who learn patois and watch my channel, yeah, that's what it means. You guys, slice of bread, sausage, hot dog. Don't it looks same way. So just go, you know, put some ketchup on it. I see hot dog, bread and sausage. You mean? So you guys, today we will fry some plantain for breakfast. Yep, some plantain. If you don't know, you buy plantain and it's just in the fridge. Easy to spoil them, cause you don't appreciate plantain when it's in the fridge. But when you don't have plantain, you want it, so I'm gonna fry some of it. Yep. Yeah, enough plantain spoil on me now. Enough. But don't tell nobody. Yeah, guys. That's not banana. Like, who's watching, who don't know what's plantain, Google. But yeah, Jamaicans know, but you know, some of American, probably Russian people don't know. But American people shouldn't know that. But Russian people, them don't know. We carry it to give my mother for try, but it's spoiled in the fridge, so mother never try, so mother don't know what's plantain. But it's not a banana, okay? That's not a banana. Because every time I see, like, guys, every time I see girls fry plantain, Russian girls, and they are on the Russian Instagram, so Russian people mostly comment under the post, so they be like, oh, you guys fry banana, that's so nasty. That's not a banana, okay? Nobody fries banana. People eat bananas, but they don't fry. This is not a banana. It's from probably a banana family, but it's not a fruit. It's not like sweet banana. So please, come on. Check this out.
Can you remember Daddy said don't shoot each other? Okay, then I'm gonna shoot you over here. No, don't do that. No, Daniel, to the eye. No, Daniel. Yes, Daniel. No, Daniel, die shooting over here.
So guys, my little trick when I don't have enough oil when I fry plantains. You have to be creative. Yeah, so I just make sure give them deep fry on the edge of the pan. Morning. It's your coffee and that's your breakfast.
Thank you. Let me get the fork.
Yeah, just a fried egg, 2 slices of bread, because I will always put the egg between. He just loves that sandwich and the fried plantain. Perfection. I wanted to show off a little bit here. So remember all the deal I was dreaming about when I planted? I said it might not grow in Jamaica, but look, So out of all the things that I planted, I have too much dill. So what I do, I cut it and I cook it. I mean, I don't cook it, I put it in the salads and dishes. When they are already ready, I just sprinkle them with it. Yeah, you don't really cook it. A lot of it. I'm so happy because I was really missing dill in Jamaica, but they sell it now in Ekaterina. Yeah, I see them like in the supermarkets, but they're kinda pricey. So I said I need to try myself grow dill if I like it so much. And you see is more dill. So this is pepper. And pepper, finally it started blossom, and I hope soon I will see some pepper on it. Yeah, so this is pepper too, and I'm not sure what pepper it is, but look at this. They look like pepper though. They look like pepper. Yeah, so but just a thing, I'm not sure if a sweet pepper, or I think this one a sweet pepper. On the other side I have scotchy. Now let me show you my scotchy, guys. Yes, scotch bonnet pepper grows smaller than sweet one, and this is scotchy. This is scotchy for sure, because I remember how Errol planted it here. And the leaves there look a little bit smaller, look a bit different from the sweet pepper. Yeah, but we'll see more scotchy. Yeah, but this look like it'll bloom too. Look on this. This is scotchy. Ew. My first scotchy. Soon I'm gonna cook it. Yeah, so our trees are still grown, but they grow fast though. You know, one thing here in our trees, the trees there become taller faster than in Portmore. In Portmore, just deadly in one place. They just deadly and don't grow. They just there, but they don't grow. They don't die and they don't grow. That is the thing about Portmore. So it's still me don't see no purpose at them. So just know, in Portmore nothing grew, but here it grows, but it grows slow. It takes time, but it grows. At least I see, like it I change, you know, it becomes taller. Yeah. And guys, we are going to Kingston soon, and we are going to rather place where they sell plants, and I want to buy grape because I believe grape can grow here. So I will plant grape, and you know, I want it to grow on the wall. Maybe this wall. Yeah, I think this wall. I will start grow it on this wall, cause I'm not sure if I this wall. I don't know. But yeah, I want grape, and I will look something else. But Errol said he doesn't want no ackee tree in the yard because ackee tree root big, so it will take all the space, and maybe the root even will go. Yeah, it will go under the house. So Errol says he does not want the root to destroy the house piping system. So no ackee tree. Yeah, ackee tree will not grow in our yard. Yeah, but here what I have here, this a cucumber. Oh guys, my cucumber. Remember I had here cucumber. I just pluck it out, throw it away because the sun burn it, and plus me I burn it too. So this one I think a cucumber too, you know, but different style because it's a wait a move. It's moving. It's moving. Oh my god. Or maybe it's not moving. Yeah, so oh my god, I think it's not moving. I think it's just me. So I think this cucumber will grow because the cucumber previous one, it just never made sense to me because it did grow wide, but bay leaves, nothing group on it. No cucumber was there. Like it would blossom, but the cucumber was never there. So I don't know if a Russian cucumber cannot grow in Jamaica, but I brought a little cucumber, so it never worked out. So that's what I ended up with. What about a deal? Well, yeah. And let me tell you something. The weather is so nice. The weather is so Russian today. Russian weather. Some me see it like outside. Nobody, 'cause I guess it's cold. But only me outside, because the weather is amazing. It's like that my type of weather. My type of weather. I feel comfortable because it's windy. Kind of look a drizzle, but it's not like rainy weather. And Leo woke up in the morning and said, "Mommy, it's so cold. It will be snowy." I said, "No, Jamaica ain't got no snow, but drizzling rain. So I was like, "That's right through the day, drizzling rain." Yes. So see, streets are quiet because it's the pool area quiet, and you hear no noise. So people now are going up swimming pool today. Saint and Parish for me so far are the best. I love St. Ian Parish. Yep. Yeah, man. Mr. St. Ian Parish. Parish of St. Ian. Yeah, love it to my heart. Love it to my heart. Go! Bah! Whoa! Most man. Good. Keep doing the good work. Keep training. High five then. I'm here just drinking tea, hot tea, and eating some cheesecake. Damn, the cold weather just makes you want to eat around the clock. Oh my god. I do not like cold weather, okay? I do not want to put the weight, but the food is calling me because it's cold. It's just try to shield the situation. So you just want to eat all day long. Yeah. Here the situation. I do not have warm clothes for the kids. I am not prepared. I wasn't ready for that weather. Listen, I don't have warm clothes for the kids. I have jeans. I have like from me things. Errol has warm clothes too, but kids, they grew all their warm clothes. So I don't know what you're gonna do. What you gonna do? Stay inside the house. But we were planning to go today, play some dominoes and some games. It's a game day today because you cannot go outside. You cannot take kids outside. So we were planning like to spend it in the house, like we were invited. Yeah. So guys, I just wanted to update you because as you heard, if you heard, chicken prices in Jamaica are gone up to 10%. So I feel like did I get scammed, or maybe because of the price increase that happened. But look here, now watch the seasoning. Me not done yet, but me just start season it. I look upon the amount of chicken. Me pay 600. Me pay like 500 something. But with GCT it came to 600 Jamaican. I look upon the amount of chicken me get. Bare bones. You see this on a meat. Bare bones. This a wing. Part of the wing. Bare bone. See? I know nothing here, you know. Feet. Here, local what? From local leg. No, on a leg, you know. From wing, same thing. This or what that? Or little leg. Me don't know what that. But look little. This too. You see the little piece of meat. Alright. Wing again. I see them not like to cut this part. So it get a weight when it's frozen especially. So them little tricks and turns. Yeah, so look at the amount of meat. I pay 600 for it. Jamaican, can you believe? I got stew it, brown stew it, and it go serve us one time. Me and Errol, and me I go give some to Leo. Come cook different for Daniel. And here too, but you see, a bone. and not really meat there, you know, bone. So look good pan it. Do you think it's fair to charge 600 Jamaican for this amount of meat? Well, I used to buy it for 400, so that's why I feel so. Yeah. Alright, I'll go and season it and brown stew it. So I have to do what I have to do. Just work with it, I guess. Ooh, long time I did not see myself in the jeans. So, you know, guys, so since I gave birth to I look so, I like look like a worm or what that. I like the jeans too high, cause you know, guys, when I gave birth, I just cannot get rid of this part. A belly, it's belly, a part of the belly. So no matter what, I try to exercise hard, but honestly, I'm gonna tell you straight, I'm not really holding the super diet, but I guess you have to hold the super diet to get rid of this, because before I had my kids, I had a really nice body. I'm telling you, I had a slim waist like this. Now hold my breath and show you. Yeah, that's how I looked before. So since I gave birth, it changed. So I don't know. That's why I'm no wonder some women, they straight after they give birth, they do surgery, because it's really hard. Listen, it's not easy to come back to what I used to be before kids. Is not easy. Okay. Bless you, Leah. Cold.
It suit me well. It's a Bayesian game I learned as a little girl in Barbados.
Okay.
Is it 7 cards have we got?
Oh,
yeah, we're going to Barbados right now.
Alright.
The other side of the islands. Have you got 7?
Yeah, we read it.
Or have you got 6?
So you can speak with Bayesian accent?
Okay,
No? Alright. Alright, so what to do?
Fraud, I can't do it.
Look, pan the weather. It's 6:30, almost 7. Me never see Jamaica dark so yet. This is a hurricane. And guess what? Eros team in school with Bobo send kids to school. Me send my kids to no school in that kind of weather. You're mad. You must say mad. You must say smoke. What I mean? They are not going to no school in that state of weather.
It's just, you never wake up so early yet. You just think, say,
It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning and look at the sky, my friend.
stop saying almost 7.
Look at the sky, my friend. You think it's okay?
Ekaterina.
Look at the sky.
You said the next.
Look at the amount of the wind blowing.
Which wind? Which wind
It'll go
blowing?
start again.
Ekaterina, don't stress me, man. Look on the road. Is the carriage drive on the road?
Look, Panel, you want to carry kids in the hurricane. Okay.
Stop doing hurricane in Jamaica. We know
Yeah, guys, watch out what you gonna do.
The weather watch tell when the hurricane happens. No, you can't wait until 7 o'clock to laugh at it. You see, 7 o'clock come, you see what they're doing, right? Just remember how you have for the back. We'll laugh after it.
You're gonna laugh for yourself because you're gonna stuck somewhere in the heavy rain. Your car got stuck somewhere in some puddle, some rain.
Touching on the puddle on the road. Look outside.
Yeah, go on. Leo is getting ready to go to school. Hey Leo, good morning. You ready for school? Excited? You love school, Leo? Yeah? Good. Alright. Guys, so we sent kids to school and I'll have I cannot say that a lot of the time because I still have to do stuff at home, duties calling me every day, like cooking and cleaning and do something. Yeah, but at least I can do it in peace now. Yeah, crazy kids at home. Oh, my neighbors planted a big tree now. So I wonder that's what we should do already. Plant the big trees them, you see, if you can see, yeah, like that. It's like our tree, big trees, and I mean fruit trees. See them, we like, you know, just chop off somewhere mango tree and bring it come here, and you know, good size. Cause for me, it just, when you grow it from local, it takes hella whole heap of time, like whole heap of time plus tax. Plus I do not know what is the problem here. Maybe because they dig the ground first and they put the stones, the marl, then they put again the dirt. Maybe that is the thing. It's hard for the trees to catch up, because I don't know, I just don't know what is the problem. It's not like in the countryside, some people just, you know, grow a tree within a year or something, and then they have already like goods to eat. But I don't know, here it's like, maybe that's why, because they throw little stones under, and you know, roots them beef. I mean, I know. So I feel like I'll give this idea to Errol, and we're gonna, you know, go on a mission, chop somebody's mango tree. A joke. Not joke. But we need to find somewhere mango trees. But there's a problem. There's no abundant mango trees in Jamaica like that. If you just go and chop it. Yeah. So I guess you just have to work with what you have. Yep. So yeah, you know, guys, here in Jamaica, that is the motto for me. You have to work with what you have. I don't know. Yeah, because you just have to adapt to the situation. That's what I've learned living in Jamaica, because there's no other way to live your life to the fullest. You have to adapt to the situation and try to find the positive moments in the situation, even if it's not really pretty and if it's not how you want it to be. But not only in Jamaica, but it's true, I kind of grow in Jamaica into a woman, so into a big woman. Big man. Yeah, big human. So my process is here in Jamaica, so I can say like I've learned it here. But I think it's everywhere. You have to just adapt into a situation and work with it, run with it. Because you can't write your own scenario. I mean, you can fix it, but you can't write it. Yeah, so that is the situation, guys. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I hope you guys have been good day, good week. Yeah, and take care. See you next time. Till next vlog. Bye bye.